The power of silence is a remarkable communication tool that can be wielded with precision. Understanding when to embrace silence and when it may hinder communication is essential for effective dialogue. Picture a scenario where you are engaging in conversation and posing open-ended questions. Here, a well-timed pause can be invaluable, allowing the other party a moment to reflect before responding. By withholding speech, you signal to them that their thoughts are valid, encouraging thoughtful responses. However, it's crucial to recognize when silence may be detrimental. For instance, if we intentionally withhold a response to a direct question, it can disrupt the flow of conversation and erode trust. In such cases, silence becomes counterproductive and may alienate the other person. Therefore, discerning the appropriate moments to utilize silence is key to its effectiveness as a communication tool. Silence can also play a constructive role in discussions of a personal or emotional nature. When someone shares a poignant story or expresses vulnerability, allowing moments of silence can demonstrate empathy and respect. Rather than rushing to fill the void with words, simply being present and attentive can convey understanding and support. It's important to resist the temptation to deflect or lighten the mood with humor, as this may detract from the sincerity of the interaction. In deeper, more emotionally charged conversations, silence can serve as a conduit for genuine connection. Leveling up from standard listening to empathetic listening, level 4, involves embracing the emotions of the speaker and holding space for the experience. During these moments, silence becomes a powerful tool for fostering intimacy and understanding. However, silence may lose its efficacy in certain contexts, such as telephone conversations. In such scenarios, where visual cues are absent, prolonged silence can create uncertainty and discomfort for the other party. Acknowledging their contributions and affirming your presence through verbal cues is crucial to maintaining engagement and rapport. Ultimately, the key to harnessing the power of silence lies in authenticity. By being attuned to each nuance of each interaction and responding genuinely, you can leverage silence as a tool for fostering meaningful connections and facilitating effective communication. In the next lecture, we'll delve deeper into the concept of authenticity and its role in interpersonal communication. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.